A sensual, caring, and cute partner. Nobody takes your spot in my heart, and nobody can replace you in my world. My heart, body, and soul will always appreciate you because I am now living rather than exciting like I was before your love. I can do anything, including kissing the whole world for this wonderful being it has given to me. You with my whole heart. The most beautiful flowers are pale when it compares to how colorful you make my life. Your beautifully dazzling eyes are so cute that even the brilliant stars can't stand the match. To show my deep love for you, I am offering you my world. Be my king and rule my world. You already own my heart, and there is no safer place for it than your domain. You are the most precious thing in my life right now. I love you, baby. Loving you has shown me happiness every second, every moment, and every day. Your love has been the most awesome feeling. You are a lover and a friend. Nothing can beat the love I will give to you today, tomorrow, and forever. You will decorated my heart with your love and made me better with your care. I will live a million years for you, baby. You will always had my best interest at heart and have worked so hard to see my happiness. I love you, my man. I adore every single feeling of happiness and security you have made me feel. My world is colorful, all thanks to you. When my world was crumbling, you offered to save my world and my heart. You healed my broken heart and made me believe in love again. Every day of my life is a testimony of the great effort you put in just to love me despite my flaws. Your love for me is out of the world. It's pure kind of love that has no contamination of any impurity. You will heal my world and my heart. You mean everything to me as long as I breathe. You are the sweetest thing in my world. There are only two of us, but unmiserable bliss around us. I am madly in love with you for all the good things you decorated my life with every day. I can't seem to love you enough. Because the more I love you, the more I feel like loving you more. A future with you is perfect for consuming the great feeling that's boiling inside of me. I want to love you like no other. Thank you for watching.